3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。下晝5點，強烈熱帶風暴馬鞍集結喺香港東南大約340公里，即係北緯19.8度、東經116.1度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約25公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸。過去幾小時，本港風力有所增強，部分地區吹強風。同馬鞍相關嘅外圍雨帶正影響南海北部同珠江口一帶。預料入夜後，本港風勢將迅速增強。天文台會喺下晝嘅6點至晚上9點之間改發8號烈風或暴風信號。今晚有非常大浪，海面有湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。按照現時預測路徑，馬鞍會喺聽朝最接近香港，並可能喺本港西南偏南，大約200公里範圍內掠過，對本港構成相當威脅。受風暴潮影響同埋時值天文漲潮，鰂魚涌嘅海水高度會喺聽日上晝5點至9點期間上漲至海圖基準面以上大約3米，即係比正常升高1米左右。海水上漲可能會引致低洼地區出現水浸，市民請留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息，並盡早完成防風防水浸嘅措施。喺過1小時，橫瀾島、昂坪同埋青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時69、58同51公里，最高陣風分別每小時79、77同埋75公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 5 p.m., severe tropical storm Ma-on was estimated to be about 340 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.8 degrees north, 116.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 25 kilometers per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. In the past few hours, local winds have strengthened with strong winds in some places. The outer rain bands associated with Ma-on are affecting the northern part of the South China Sea and the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Local winds are expected to strengthen rapidly tonight. The observatory will issue the number 8 gale or storm signal between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. today. Seas will be very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. According to the present forecast track, Ma-on is expected to be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning and may skirt within about 200 kilometers south-southwest of the territory, posing a considerable threat to the territory. Under the influence of storm surge and astronomical high tide, a high water level of around 3 meters above chart datum, or about 1 meter above the normal tide heights, is expected at Quarry Bay between 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. tomorrow. The high water level may cause flooding in low-lying areas. Members of the public should take note of the latest information issued by the observatory and complete precautionary measures against high winds and flooding as soon as possible. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island, Ngongping and Green Island were 69, 58 and 51 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts 79, 77 and 75 kilometers per hour respectively.